Hey mathematicians! Today we are going to be playing a little bit more Splat. And we're going to be connecting what we do in Splat to some tens frames that we see in Number Talks. I hope you're as excited as I am. Let's get started. All right, let's start with this one. How many dots do you see? That's right, there are 9 dots. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many dots do you think are under the splat? How do you know? You can say my answer is, and I know because yes, there is 1 dot under the splat. How did we know? Well, we could take 9 fingers like this. Let's do that again. Okay. If I have 9 fingers and I want to have only 8 left, I need to put how many down? See, I have 9. If I put 1 more down, now I have 8. 9 take away 1 is 8. That's how we know there's 1 under the splat. 9 take away 1 equals 8. The 9 is for the 9 dots in all. This sign means we're going to take something away. The 1 is for the 1 dot under the splat. And the 8 is for the 8 dots left over. Now let's think about how this can connect to tens frames. Let's look at one. All right, here is a tens frame with 9 dots. How do we know there are 9? There's a few ways we can know. We could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or we can use Sebastian's strategy and say, what's missing? We have a tens frame here. We know that if every box is full, it's 10, but we're missing 1. 1 less than 10 is 9. Now, what if we want to have only 8 left? And we have a splat that covers 1. This picture shows the same thing as the splat. We had 9, we took away 1, and now we have 8. Here is your math homework. Solve the following splat problems. How many dots in all? Start by counting them. Press pause while you count them. Press play when you're ready. That's right, there are 8 dots in all. Splat! How many dots are under the splat? Press pause while you figure it out. You can say, I think there's dots under the splat. I know because Don't forget to write a number sentence on your whiteboard to match what happened. Are you ready to check your work? There is 1 dot under the splat. 8 take away 1 equals 7 left. Now we're going to connect it to tens frames. Get out your tens frame or draw one like this on your whiteboard. Press pause while you do this to be ready. Press play when you're ready to keep going. We had 8 dots in all. Draw them on your tens frame. Press pause while you do this. Press play when you're ready to keep going. Now we had a splat that covered 1 dot. Could you show this by crossing out one dot? It could look like this. It shows the same thing. Whether we show 8 minus 1 equals 7 with a splat, or with crossing out dots in a tens frame, it's the same thing, just shown in different ways.